Welcome to Penyclogwyn. In 1841, 15 people lived here in 2 units. At the head of Unit 1 was Anne Ellis, aged 45, and amongst her many children was Robert, who was aged 10. 10 years on, he was a railway labourer. 10 years after that, a slate quarryman, then a miner, and in 1881 he was a gardener, and by 1891 he was the shepherd. 1901, a gardener domestic, and according to my neighbour, sometime after 1911 he jumped over the edge of the cliff holding an umbrella, fell rather awkwardly, and was taken by pony and cart to the workhouse Brunagarth in Penrhyn-Dydreth. Carved into the stones outside the front of the house are the initials JW, and I guess that is going to be John Williams, who was 10 years old in 1871. By 1881, John had become the tallow chandler. Probably the most significant nearby food source is the shelves built into the rock, bee bowls for keeping bee skeps. This is Pantyffynnon. What's interesting is that they too kept bees here. In 1851 there were 10 people living here, spread across 2 units. On the one unit the head of the house was David Jones, aged 76, a labourer. The head of the other house was William Jones, aged 46, a carter. By 1861 it was just 1 unit, and by 1891 it was uninhabited.